Today in the El Yucateco kitchen, we're smoking up a chuck roast to perfection and serving it up with all your favorite food creations. We're using a fresh-cut 3-pound chuck roast right from the butcher for today's recipe. We'll start by using our El Yucateco Habanero and Coffee Sauce as a binder. This goes great with beef, and it's going to help our seasoning adhere to this meat. Just coat the entire outside and then generously apply your rub. Be sure to use a coarse rub like Montreal Steak Seasoning or just some salt, pepper, and garlic. Now that it's seasoned and ready to go, it's time to head outside and fire up that smoker. We'll be doing today's cook on a pellet smoker at a temperature of 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your cooker is fully preheated, go ahead and get your chuck roast on, close the lid, and allow it to cook for about 2 to 3 hours to soak up some delicious smoke flavor and for that bark to firm up on the outside. Then we'll get it nice and tender by putting it in a foil pan with about 2 cups of beef broth, a little chopped onion for added flavor, and 1 more ounce of the El Yucateco Habanero and coffee. Simply cover the pan with foil, get it back on the cooker, and allow it to cook for a couple more hours until it probes tender. And after a short rest, shred it up and serve it up just the way you like. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. Remember, till next time, to kick up all your recipes with the King of Flavor. We'll see you on the next one.